Hello everyone. I thought of sharing something with you. I was just reciting Lalita Shastranamam today, and while reciting, I felt quite overwhelmed and just thinking about some societal things that I keep on seeing every day. So today, I'm just going to share a small story with you on competition and comparison and things like that. So the story goes like this. There's a crow and a peacock, and the crow feels that the crow is very black and the peacock is really beautiful. You have seen the peacock having so many colors and the crow has only black color. So we all know how a crow looks like and how a peacock looks like. The crow is black in color, and peacock has so much of royal blue, other different colors that it has. So the crow is very sad, and the crow feels that peacock is built, has been designed and been created so beautiful, and why am I just having one color? I don't even look so attractive and beautiful like peacock. So what he does, he takes some feathers of peacock and puts on his back, and he sticks it to his body. So what happens when he is walking in the forest and when he passes by other birds and animals, they all start laughing that the crow has gone mad. What's wrong with the crow? He's acting all insane and stupid. So he's thinking, even though I put the feathers of peacock, but still people are laughing at me, and the animals are laughing at me, and why are they not, praising me and admiring me like the way they admire, peacock probably. So now what happens is, when will he realize, that he is sufficient? Is the day you all know that peacock is weighs heavier than a crow, and that is the reason that peacock can't fly higher and longer distance. And on the contrary, the crow can fly really long distance higher, and that is the advantage the crow has. So the moral of the story is the moral of the story is, the day crow comes to know that he has a different advantage, and his advantage is that it can fly higher, it can fly longer, and the peacock can't fly higher and longer like him. So that is the day that the crow is going to be really content and peaceful and happy from inside. So this is a story which talks about how we can never compare ourselves and compete with other people and their lives and their qualities, because you definitely have some other quality in you which is going to take you heights. So yes, that's the moral of my story. I hope you would have received something from it.